Hey folks, so finally I'm here at VSTL warehouse where our consignment has been ready. So since I'm here, I decided to make a short video so we can watch together how they are working. Let's go inside VSTL Hong Kong warehouse.
Let me take you to the repairing store. This is complete repairing section.
All our professionals are highly trained and skilled, who are keen to focus on every minor details. To ensure the quality, we process all the product through our 3-step quality check. For more information, contact us on WhatsApp number mentioned below.